Let's solve the equation p squared plus 4p equal to 0. Solution. We have p squared plus 4p equal to 0. Now to do this, we just need to factorize out so that we can have a form of two expressions multiplying each other to give us 0. Just like the form ab equal to 0. So to do that, we just need to factorize. And to factorize, we look at this term and figure out what factor is common. So here we can have p from here. We can also have p from here. I think that's the only factor we can bring out, which gives us the ACF of the two expressions. So we have p into, now to know what's next to write, we say p raised to the power of 2 divided by this will be left with just p, plus 4p divided by this p will be left with 4 equal to 0. And from here, either p equal to 0 or p plus 4 equal to 0. So from here, we solve for p. P becomes equal to, this plus 4 here comes to this side, becomes minus 4. Therefore, that means the values of a p would be equal to 0 or minus 4. And that's how to solve this kind of equation. Thank you.